What's up everyone? I'm gonna do portraits with the Nikon D7000. I have 3 lenses, 35 1.8G DX, the 50 1.8G, and the 85 1.8G. I just wanna say major thanks to Penny for coming along.
Hi, thanks for having me.
We're just gonna go straight to it. Portraits with the Nikon D7000 with a 35 1.8G DX. Look at me. So those are the shots with the 35. I'll move on to the 50 on the D7000. Alright, so right now I have the 85 on the D7000. We'll get straight to it. Those were the shots with the Nikon the 85. As you can see, I did have some high ISO. I think I was only at ISO 2000 or 2500, but even then it was still okay images. It still seems like it was a little grainy when I zoomed in on here, but I'm gonna have to see on my computer. So far, my favorite photos from the D7000 is the Nikon 50. It's probably my favorite lens on the D7000, so if you are looking for a nice portrait lens, I feel like the 50 is just perfect. It's not too wide, it's not too tight. And it's just a good, smooth lens for the D7000, even for a crop sensor. The 50 is gonna be perfect. I feel like the 35 is just a little wide. If you're looking for that bokeh, it's not gonna be good, but the 35 is gonna be an excellent learning lens. But that 50 is definitely there for portraits. I just wanna say thanks for watching, everyone. And if you like this video, and if you have any questions about this camera or the 3 lenses, I do have a link on where you can purchase them below. Comment below and I'll try my best to answer. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Again, thanks for watching everyone. See ya.